Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Shari here. If you're new here, thanks for subscribing, thanks for liking, and thank you for being here. In today's video, I wanted to do something for Valentine's Day. If you catch this today or if you catch tomorrow, happy Valentine's to you, and hope you guys have a wonderful, loving, fulfilled day. Every day should be like that, but sometimes you need Valentine's Day to sort of get you there. But so this video, I'm not really like a makeup look person. I kind of do the same makeup pretty much every day, but I am a lipstick hoarder. And so what I wanted to do today was do some lipstick looks that you can wear for Valentine's Day, drugstore and high-end, and then just prepping your lips for putting on your lipstick or lip gloss or lip matte or whatever it is, any sort of lip product. You need a little bit of a preparation, especially if you're in the wintertime, wherever you are in the world. You're gonna need some extra TLC for those lips. And so if you're looking to get some ideas for Valentine's Day, stay tuned and thanks for watching. So first things first, I do apologize, I am a little bit sick. I'm coming down from the end of a little cold. I do not have the flu, thank fucking God, but I've got my tea right here. I need a little bit extra TLC because my throat is like itchy and I'm already taking a Benadryl. So if my mood seems a little it's probably because of that, but I will do mine. So the first product I use is just some regular old Bliss sticks. I like Bliss sticks because it's a little medicated, it's a lip balm and it has SPF in it. And what's good about this one is that it's something you just throw in your bag. It's not one of those chapsticks that require multiple like just applications. Thing that I like is Aquaphor. I got this little sample from my dermatologist. She had a bunch of them. It's basically a healing ointment. It's meant for dry, cracked, and irritated skin. I try to be on top of my lips as much as possible, but realistically we're human. It's not humans. We're not gonna always be like 100%. So I feel like on the days where I'm like, dang, I didn't pay attention to my lips a little bit better, or I took off my lipstick and it just feels a little bit dry, this is good to have. This is another thing to just throw in your bag. It has petroleum in it, but it's a skin protectant ointment, and I feel like if you got burned from the stove or a flat iron or something like that, this would be nice to put on it after you put aloe. And just, it's a nice sealant to make sure that your lips are just holding on to whatever moisture is left, even if there isn't anything. Ointment kind of thing is this Laneige Special Care Lip Sleeping Mask. It's for all skin types. It came with a little spatula. It's somewhere around in my room. It's basically like this. So, oh, did I miss a nail? I just got my nails done. They're so pretty. I love Valentine's Day nails. So there's a bunch in here. This is one of those products where it's definitely gonna last me months on end. I've had it for at least 3 or 4 months at this point. I try not to dip my finger in it, but it happens. What I'll do is I'll take the spatula, scoop out a little bit. A little bit goes a very, 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 very long way. I put this on at night. I put a very thin layer on, go to sleep, and when I wake up, the point is that when you put this on, you're supposed to wipe off the excess in the morning. But that doesn't happen because unfortunately I'm a very rough sleeper, so I move a lot, so sometimes they end up on my pillowcases. So I have done it one time where I've wiped off the excess. I find that when I wake up, my lips are very juicy, they're very plump. There isn't anything that makes them plump, but when I wake up, my face is usually swollen. But this is nice to have to just bring some moisture. The things that it has in it is berry mixed complex, and it's a moisture wrap. It's for nourishing and plumping. So this is the Pure Cosmetics. I just got this from BoxyCharm. I like it. I used it twice. I love that I can just spin it up and then spin it down. I don't have to sharpen it like a regular old jumbo pencil. But basically, it's an Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. And you basically put it all over your lips, and then whatever's left, whatever's left in your lip, you'll take your finger and you just scrub it in. What I like to do is, I've tried this by itself, like just putting it on my lips. But then another time I tried it all over my lips, and then To give myself extra foliation after I brush my teeth, or if I have a spare toothbrush, I like to just brush off the dead skin that's on my lips, and I find that exfoliators like this help with that. I don't really care for like scrubs because I feel like they'll eventually dry out, and this is something that's packaged well where I don't have to basically worry about this. I'm so happy that BoxyCharm sent me something like this. I brought you guys a little bit closer. I've had on this makeup for probably maybe like 4 hours, longer than that, since it's going on probably like 8 hours at this point. What I'm gonna do is just take like this much, which is just not even a smidget of foundation. This is the color Amber Honey. And I'm gonna just go in and go back in and sort of cover my mustache a little bit. And this is definitely something you want to do before you powder and all that stuff. But in this case, I'll just show you how to do that. I've got a little bit, I removed most of it from my lips. My lips still feel good, but just to be on the safe side, I want to take whatever is left from this foundation brush and sort of just cover around the edges. So one of my next favorite liquid lipsticks is Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip, and this is the color Firestarter. I've worn this in a lot of pictures and I get a lot of compliments on it. It smells like candles. It smells like really cheap candles that you get at Marshall's. But do you see that color payoff? Sis. I added the foundation and I muted out my lips. I just noticed that I find my actual lip lined area much better. I'm so much more precision on, you know, do I want to make it a little bit whiter around here? How do I want this to look? And so that's sort of the thing that I do. It definitely looks a little bit more pink on camera, but off camera, it's giving me, I feel like a Firestarter look in a sense. So one of my favorite combos, when I want to pump up the volume, this is my favorite red ever. Like, I know that Fenty exists. I know Uncensored Stunna exists and that every girl loves it, and it's like a blue tone red, and that literally every tone can wear it. I know that it's sort of similar to my nail color, but I'm sorry, nothing beats Ruby Woo. I don't even wear MAC that much, but there is literally nothing in this world like Ruby Woo. Like, look at that red. So when I want to pump up my lips just a little bit more va va voom, I'll add this red. I call this Fire Woo because it's Firestarter and it's Ruby Woo, so it's Fire Woo. All right, this is Ruby Woo. Giving a look, a Valentine's Day look. My next drugstore option is a good old trusty NYX soft matte lip cream in the color Monte Carlo. This is one of my OG favorites from the drugstore. It retails for like $6. It's a deep burgundy red. I want to say it's more just a deep red, but look at that. That's really pretty. I think that NYX has always had the game on lock when it comes to like that liquid lipstick feeling before liquid lipstick was liquid lipstick in 2018, in the last maybe 3 or 4 years. And this color actually reminds me of, I know this is gonna sound weird, but if you've ever seen blood fall near your lips, like if you ever had like a bloody nose and like the red of the lips of the red of the blood is blood, actual blood red, like aside from like the hygiene aspect of it is really gorgeous. Like it's vampy, but it's like a sexy color. I know this is gonna sound crazy, but blood is just a beautiful color on its own. I'm gonna try True Love and see how that is going to look for, you know, women of color like me. It's not bad, it's looking okay. So the next one is a pink velvet. This is Serving Pink Barbie. This is so Nicki Minaj 2009 right now. This is Neon Apple. Now, this is the sexiest. The sexiest red lipstick I think I've ever looked at. Gloss. And look, this is a brand new box too. This is fucking gorgeous. The applicator really is what got me, and I'm gonna show you why I like this. I just put on like a light layer. I'm serving bottom lip right now. Most glosses, like let's just get into it. Most glosses are so juicy and glossy that this is more of like, it's giving you liquid lip, right? But it's giving you high shine. And the last look is for a girl after my own heart. A simpleton. A simple pimple. A girl that's like, yo, I'm nude. I'm a nudie. I am a nude bitch. Nude, nude, nudie, nude, nude. And it's for the girl that's like, I don't got the time for the lip gloss or the extra this, that, red, burgundy, deep, whatever. They're just like, you know what? My lips are just not designed for that. And I've got a little combo. So this is the NYX pencil in the color Los Angeles. And this is a matte lip liner. And then I've got your Fenty gloss. You gotta have some Fenty. You've gotta have some Fenty. You've gotta get this gloss. If you just want to have juicy, succulent lips that are like, as soon as you kiss your man or whoever your lover is, like as soon as you see them, you're just like, These are the lips. These are the lips that they're gonna see you across the room. You're like, I want her. I want to be her. I want those lips. I want that. And this is the thing that's gonna give it to you. So let me show you how. So I like to use, this is about, I feel like it's a mid-tone brown, but it definitely matches my lips to the T. And I like to start at my bottom, and I like to create a nice pout. Then I'll just go up. All right, once I do that, what I like to do is just go in with my favorite gloss. This is Fenty Gloss. Fenty Gloss. Fenty Gloss. Fenty Gloss. It's a universal gloss. You need this in your life. And you just go in. If you wanted to leave the center juicy like that, you could. But then I think it looks a little boring. You want to spread that. I think the reason that this gloss is so damn not expensive, like, oh my god, I love it, is that if you haven't noticed, I didn't wipe off any excess. I didn't go back and pump. Literally, when you take it out, it's ready for go. It's ready for go time. It's got a huge applicator. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Sound off in the comments what you guys like to wear for Valentine's Day. What is your go-to lip color? What's your go-to makeup look? And I'll definitely be posting this on Instagram as well. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the shares. Thank you for just being a part of a new project that I am enjoying giving my time to, and I promise you in due time I will get a better camera, I'll have a better lighting kit, and it won't just be kind of a lonely girl in her room with a revolt towel, her vision board, and her laundry in the background. So thanks guys, see you again.